My name is Paul Almeda, and I'm a lead supply distribution coordinator at Moffitt Outpatient Center. We are basically responsible on stocking medical supplies in all the clinics, the departments, and making sure that we have everything that they need so their day-to-day operations can go smoothly. On a day-to-day operations, a lot of items are crucially needed for patient treatments, especially on a clinic that's off-site. We have to make sure that we have to have enough supplies to get through the day. Communication. You have to be able to communicate whether it's oral or written, because you have to communicate with the managers, the nurses. If there's something that a lot of items that are in back order, we make sure that we relay it to them. That way they are aware of an issue. So I started as a supply and distribution clerk at General Stores Department here at Moffitt Cancer Center. I worked there for 8 years, and everything that I've known so far, I can attribute it to that department because it taught me a lot of things. It taught me how to be self-sufficient. It taught me to just keep grinding, work as hard as you can. You have to follow the levels of the supplies that are needed on the department. And if you try to take shortcuts and just fill them like with whatever you want, and if you don't follow the supply levels of that particular item, you could get a call from somebody that they'll say, hey, we are totally out of this, and this is something that we need for our patients. And it's not something that everyone can take lightly, because we're at a cancer center. Yeah. We're dealing with patient care in here. So that's the one thing that I've made a mistake with. Honestly, at first, I thought of it as just a job. I came from a retail company before I started working here, and I got the job, thought of it as a job, and all of a sudden when I got here, I started working here. You see all the patients coming in, you can't help but feel inspired because you see them coming in and have the strength to get better and try to take care of their illness and all that. And you can't help but take great pride and honor that you're part of such a great institute.